5 Must-Try American Restaurants in Bangkok. For those who find themselves in bustling Bangkok, Thai food and street food are undoubtedly the stars of the culinary scene. But what if one longs for a taste of the USA amid the big mango? Well, don't worry. Satisfying American cravings is just as feasible in this city of endless flavors. So, let's take a look at the top 5 American-style diners and restaurants in Bangkok that offer not only good food but also a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Mickey's Diner. A delight for both the eyes and the taste buds, Mickey's Diner's quintessential menu is nothing short of American culinary bliss. With an extensive menu offered in both Thai and English, Mickey's ensures that everyone's palate will be satisfied, whether they are craving classic American fried rice, a Philly sandwich, or the unique temptations of their all-day breakfast menu. Among the most popular item on the menu is the legendary mac and cheese burger, a hearty beef patty stacked with lettuce, onions, pickles, tomatoes, and an indulgent helping of mac and cheese. It's a feast worthy of sharing with friends. This charming venue also pays homage to the underrated pairing of fried chicken and waffles, a dish suitable for any time of the day. To top it all off, don't miss out on the delightful ice cream sundae with brownies. Aside from tantalizing dishes, Mickey's American Diner boasts an air of nostalgia with its interior, offering an Insta-worthy ambience for diners. You are welcome to enjoy their meals in the comfort of the retro indoor seating area or at the outdoor tables, with the latter also accommodating smoking. 25 Degrees Burger Bar. Location: Pullman Bangkok Hotel G, 188 Silom. Derived from the renowned Los Angeles institution, 25 Degrees brings gourmet burgers and an upscale flair to Bangkok's American dining scene. An inviting atmosphere paired with fashionable decor makes this 24-hour American bar a go-to spot for those on the hunt for top-quality burgers, all-day breakfast, salads, and a variety of tempting sides. Named after the ideal temperature difference distinguishing a raw from a well-done burger, you can experience the delicious warmth of burgers at 25 degrees. The restaurant boasts a similar vibe to its legendary counterpart in California. Thus, it delivers a unique experience brimming with sophistication and a lively, funky ambience. Proudly keeping the classic American diner spirit alive, 25 Degrees offers juicy prime ground sirloin, free-range chicken, and crispy bacon grilled to perfection. And that's just the beginning. Their Bangkok location is also home to award-winning burgers that elevate the game, along with veggie options and flavorsome wings. Additionally, their drink menu is undeniably worthy of their prestigious name. Fats and Angry. Click here to Google Maps. Original branch. Next on our list of the best American restaurants in Bangkok is Fats and Angry. Don't let the name deceive you. Fats and Angry is here to brighten your mood and satisfy your cravings. With a delightful selection of American classics like scrumptious burgers, an assortment of crispy fries, appetizing chili dogs, and some of the best milkshakes in town, this colorful cafe emanates warmth and comfort. They have 2 locations, the original branch in Sharoan Krung and a second location within Gumps Ari. Aside from the delicious food, Fats and Angry offers a vibrant 1950s American diner setting. The restaurant is packed with neon signs and retro posters adorning the walls. Whether you're looking for a cozy experience filled with delicious comfort food, or a trendy environment to ambush your social media feed with delectable dishes, Fats and Angry promises to deliver. Brewski. If the dynamic duo of beer and burgers epitomizes the American dining experience, Brewski Rooftop Bar hits the bullseye. Boasting around 100 craft beers and ciders on tap, the highest in Thailand, this duplex rooftop craft beer bar nestled atop the 5-star Radisson Blu Plaza Hotel on Sukhumvit Soi 27 is perfect for any beer aficionado and casual visitor alike. To complete this American feast, try their mouth-watering smash burger. It features a thick, juicy patty crowned with melted cheese and fresh veggies. Paired perfectly with a side of fries, this delightful meal can be savored while marveling at the stunning rooftop views of Bangkok's skyline. Encompassing both an inviting indoor lounge and a breezy, open-air terrace, Brewski Rooftop Bar adeptly blends a sleek, minimalistic ambience with panoramic views of the city. Visit during their lively weekend DJ sessions and immerse yourself in a vibrant atmosphere that even the most discerning craft beer enthusiast and rooftop bar goer can appreciate. Prime Burger. Conveniently situated between a Soke and Phrom Phom, Prime Burger brings a taste of New York-style smash burgers to Bangkok. With an atmosphere reminiscent of the prominent NY-based burger chain Shake Shack, this sleek, compact space adorned with patterned tiles and black brick walls delivers an unrivaled burger experience. With 9 outlets across Thailand, Prime Burger has made its mark on the local food scene since 2019. As the secret to a good burger lies in its freshness. All beef is freshly ground every day, and the buns are hand-baked daily. Prime Burger's diverse menu offers specialty burgers that represent cities like New York, Dubai, and Tokyo. Amongst these, the Stockholm Burger hails from the brand's original Phuket location, and it proudly boasts being the winner of Phuket's Best Burger 2019. Catering to various dietary preferences, Prime Burger also serves a vegan-friendly Beyond Meat burger and the halloumi-based Ayia Napa for veggie lovers. Their sides range from delectable waffle fries and chili cheese poppers to the classic Caesar salads. Next time you're in Bangkok, be sure to tick off your must-visit list with these top 5 American restaurants. Whether you're a casual diner or an enthusiastic foodie in search of authentic flavors, these American restaurants in Bangkok promise a dining experience that'll have you coming back for more. So, gather your mates and make a reservation at one, or all, of these outstanding American restaurants to truly relish the culinary delights of the USA right here in Bangkok. Want a taste of Paris instead?